If 2y square dx by dy plus 2xy plus y plus x square is equal to 0, where y is positive and x is a function of y in such a way that x of e is equal to e. Now they are asking the value of x of e square. So now we can see that over here I can write dx by dy is equals to negative of 2xy minus x square upon 2y square. So we can very easily see that we are dealing with homogeneous format. So I will start with the substitution. X is equals to lambda by. So now dx by dy is going to become lambda plus y d lambda by dy. Now we'll plug in the substitution in the original equation. So our original equation is going to become lambda plus y d lambda by dy is equals to minus. Now the value of x is lambda y. So what I will be coming? Minus 2 lambda y square minus lambda square y square upon 2y square, which is going to simplify to minus lambda square by 2. So from here, now we are going to convert this into variable separable format. So what we are going to get? Y d lambda by dy will be equals to minus 2 lambda minus lambda square by 2, which we can write as d lambda by 2 lambda plus lambda square by 2 plus dy by y is equals to 0. Now we can integrate it because it is in the variable separable format. So for that I will just modify the first term. So that is going to become 2 d lambda upon lambda square plus 4, which is nothing but lambda into lambda plus 4. I will multiply and divide by 2 plus dy by y is equals to 0. So now you can see that over here this 4 can be written as lambda plus 4 minus lambda. So we can easily convert it. So what we will be getting? 1 by 2 d lambda by lambda minus d lambda by lambda plus 4 plus dy by y is equals to 0. Now on integrating, what I will be getting? Half of ln of within the mod lambda by lambda plus 4 plus ln of mod y is equals to some arbitrary constant. Okay. Now since in the question they have already given that y is positive, so mod y is going to convert to mod. Now we will plug in the initial condition which is mentioned in the question, that when the value of y is e, x will take e. So when x and y are going to take e, from our initial condition lambda will become 1. So now from here our equation is going to become half ln of 1 by 5 plus ln of e is equals to c. So from here you can see that the value of c will come out to be as ln of e by root 5. Okay. So now our original equation is going to become half of ln of, now I will plug in the value of lambda. The value of lambda is x by y. So we will be getting mod within the mod x upon x plus 4y plus ln y is equals to ln of e by root 5. Now in place of y, I have to plug e square and then I have to calculate the value of x. So on substituting back, while calculating, we will get the value of x is 4e square by 5e square minus 1, which is our option 2. So it is a lengthy question of differential equation.